Hello, this is Lewis with A.C.F. Home Inspections in Orlando, Florida. We normally get asked, I'm purchasing a new house, why should I have it inspected? It's always recommended you get it inspected because there are issues that can always pop up at a home inspection that may not have been checked by the county, the builder, or sometimes they have a third-party auditor that comes in. We see here we have an outlet outside that has no power current. It is a GFCI protected outlet. It does not reset. The top is the reset button. I'm holding the button. Neither one of them work. This runs up here to your main panel. We see that the breaker is on, so it should have power. So something happened between here and there. This is why you want to make sure when you're purchasing a home, whether it be resale or new, that you get a home inspection done. Little things like this can sometimes be costly. So this is Lewis with A.C.F. Home Inspections, coming to you out of Orlando, Florida, giving you a couple of reasons why you should have a home inspected even when it's new construction.